What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? We are here in Miami, Florida with Miss Cindy.
Hi, my name is Cindy. I'm from France.
And where can we find you? Your Instagram.
London model.
Okay, I'll put that in the bottom left-hand corner. We're going to get some natural light shots because it is beautiful out here, okay? It is beautiful. We have the beautiful scenery. We have the beautiful model. So we're going to get these shots. And are you ready?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, Jingo.
Yeah, I saw a shooting star, I think it fell for you. Crazy how you went
Can't walk? Moan. Okay. Perfect. All right, I want you to sit down. Yeah, that's good right there. Right there. Yeah. And that arm, bring it in just a little bit, right there. Yeah, right there. And that hand, you can kind of perfect. Now like that, you can lay. And then this hand, boom, yeah. And then this leg, kind of like stretch it over right here. Yeah, and then this hand, yeah. Okay, I want you to sit like on your knees. Yeah. You can start down and then. Boom, boom. Your legs like this? Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that's fire.
No, this, la luz.
Yeah,
It's
because of
better
that.
come out,
Exactly, yeah. So, you want to go in and I can get some of you inside? Maybe to like here. The water, agua, nivel? Yeah, then maybe. Yeah. And then maybe. And fix your hair right here. Yeah. Perfect, yeah. We got some great light coming in from this side. So I'm taking advantage of the light coming in this side, and it's on our model right here. So it's beautiful. So you can stay right there. Yeah. Okay. That's good, yeah, yeah. So now we are losing light, but I got my ISO up at 1250. So I'm about to get the last few shots with the natural light. Take advantage. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, and come again. Yeah. Tú puedes sentar aquí. Yeah, can I see your face? Yeah, and you have your, yeah. One moment.